So it's the 3rd of March, the night of the 3rd of March. There's a winter storm coming, winter storm on its way. So I'm busy shoveling so that tomorrow I don't have to struggle this hard. It's about 11:30 in the night. It's snowing heavily. And this is how much I've done. Just literally right up to the sidewalk. So So I cleared quite a bit last night, but look it's again filled up. So it should be easier now, and I'll use my little tuk-tuk to clear the snow now. Let's see. So March the 4th, I finished almost half of it last night, and then overnight more fell. It's a monster storm, almost 30 centimeters of snow. 25 to 30 centimeters of snow. So I'm gonna go and use my little tuk-tuk. Well, I've been out for almost 1 hour and I'm done. The temperature is rising to about +4, so I hope it'll melt, and later on in the evening I can come and then just kind of clean it up. So there's my driveway. Have a look. Well, the city plows are busy at work. Here's a neighborhood SUV that is driving through, I think it's a RAV4, Toyota RAV4. There it's joined the street. Well, the city plows are busy at work.